The average person has 100 online accounts and uses the same 3 passwords for all of them. Hackers know this. In fact, they count on it. Here is how to protect yourself in the next 10 minutes. One data breach exposes every account that shares that password. Hackers run automated tools to test stolen passwords everywhere. Changing one character does not protect you. It is still the same password. 3 random words plus a number plus a symbol. Example: coffee bicycle river 42 with an exclamation mark. Easy for you to remember, impossible for software to guess. Bitwarden is free, open source, and excellent. One master password unlocks every other account. Autofills logins and is honestly easier than remembering passwords. Even if someone gets your password, they still cannot log in. Use an authenticator app rather than text messages. Enable it on your email and bank accounts first. Today, apps and devices fail, always have a written backup. Store it somewhere only you would find it. Update it every time you change a password. We made a printable password logbook that makes keeping a paper backup simple and organized. Free download in the description. Share this video with someone who needs it. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.